Although the Sirena brand is giving you a touring motorcycle, they are not any less in style and class. The Turismo Veloce can be immediately recognized as an MV Agusta, thanks to the chiseled front fascia resembling the MV Agusta F4 that was a sharp and rakish full LED headlight element flanked by strips of DRLs. Being a Lasso, it gets 15-liter aluminum panniers for the rear, heated hand grips, concealed GPS sensor and central stand as standard features. This motorcycle gets a compact silhouette because of its small 3-cylinder rocket even with the side panniers. The fairing is also minimalistic and does not cover any mechanical component unlike other MVs and joins the narrow 5.8-gallon fuel tank that has indentations for a tucked-in feel. Then there is, of course, the Recluse SCS clutch that resembles a Tony Stark flare in all its glory. A cliché red accent around all that black powertrain. The fairing also houses an easily adjustable windshield inside which sits a 5 inches TFT color instrument cluster that among all others worldly information, displays GPS data too. A new switchgear, specially designed for the Turismo Veloce, can allow the rider to customize the screen's display. The Bluetooth-enabled device can connect to your smartphone and let you adjust the ride settings of your Turismo Veloce along with calls and messages displayed.